video cut off. I'm like, y'all niggas gotta see the bridge though. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta see it. I would go to a park. I don't know how much time I got in the day right now, but might have to check that out another time. That right there is a people mover. You see the track up there. It just goes around this little corridor, you know. Well, not just this little corridor. It goes around like, the little bottom half of Detroit. It's pretty efficient, pretty convenient. Those are the penthouses that they're building. And I heard they are gonna be nice. Shit. So yeah. I forgot the particular layout, but I think there's penthouses and studios. It might just be penthouses. This is damn near technically the end of this real walk. It goes on, but I don't know if niggas feel like doing that right now. So yeah, so this continues. Not this way, but this is where I want to come to a stop though. Kind of get you the views. Thirsty as shit. Shit. Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice little 360, huh? Got here less than an hour. So I love this spot. So peaceful. We got the best river walk in the country. Hands down. Hands down. Best. The best. Nah. I didn't want to get that on camera because I didn't want to show my spit. But I might cut that out. It's a bad habit. Gotta do it again, but fuck it.